Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy the S&P 500 on the Coinbase, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy S&P 500 on the Coinbase app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, one thing to remember, you cannot directly buy the S&P 500 index like a traditional stock or ETF. However, you can buy cryptocurrency products that has the S&P 500, which is the Bitcoin, ETH or USD coin. So, for that, you can simply tap onto the USDC, BTC, ETH, any of them. Now tap onto one. Then, find the one that you are interested in and tap on it. Then to buy it, you can simply tap on to buy. And after adding the information about the cryptocurrency, you can simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy the S&P 500 products on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.